You can't go wrong with lawn games, a photo booth, or a caricature artist. Caricature?
In English, caricature.
Okay. Hi everyone, and welcome to What's Trending with WeddingWire, where I discuss some of the trends we are seeing in the wedding world. And today's episode is all about brunch weddings. This trend is on the rise as a result of venues booking up fast, especially for a Saturday evening celebration. So morning ceremonies are becoming a more appealing option. I mean, who doesn't love breakfast food? Better yet, breakfast beverages. So keep on watching to learn how to plan the ultimate brunch wedding. There are a lot of advantages to hosting a brunch wedding. First, you are likely to find more venues and vendors available on a weekend morning as opposed to a popular Saturday night. Also, brunch weddings are a great option for couples planning a wedding with a quick timeline. If you are looking to save some money, a brunch wedding is a way to go, since a breakfast menu is commonly less expensive than a dinner menu. Also, you most likely won't need a full open bar. Just focus on a beverage selection that includes Bloody Marys, mimosas, bellinis, screwdrivers, coffee, and espresso. Which brings me to my next point. Who doesn't love breakfast food and beverage options? Brunch food is also the chance for the couple to get creative. For example, switching it up from the usual seated option and experimenting with interactive food stations, like an omelet bar or make your own waffle station. If you decide to go for a seated option, you can always go for a high tea themed reception, complete with finger sandwiches and scones. In lieu of, or in addition to a traditional wedding cake, you can offer a selection of brunch themed desserts, such as cinnamon rolls, donuts, or crepes. If the couple's vibe is more laid back, a brunch wedding is a must, since they tend to be more relaxed, all thanks to the smaller guest count, informal attire, and simple decor. If you are inviting kids or have some of your own, a morning wedding is great since they tend to be more rested in the morning, so you don't have to worry about meltdowns. Just make sure to include activities for the kiddos, like how about lawn games? What is awesome about having a reception in the morning is that you have the rest of the day ahead of you, allowing you to plan your favorite post-wedding activities with your family and friends. When it comes to planning this type of wedding, it is important to understand the differences between a morning and evening wedding. Here's exactly what you need to plan for that you wouldn't with an evening ceremony. You will need plenty of time to get hair and makeup done before your morning reception, so expect an early wake-up call. Work with your hair and makeup artist as well as your planner and venue to determine the best start time. You can certainly still have a DJ or band to perform your first dance at your brunch reception, but keep in mind your guests might not be ready to hit the dance floor that early. So plan to have a few alternative entertainment options. You can't go wrong with cornhole, a photo booth, or a portrait painter. As for any wedding you plan, it is important to create a cohesive timeline for your brunch wedding. Morning receptions tend to be shorter than evening receptions, so if you want the party to last longer, just talk to your venue to see if they can extend the celebration. Don't forget, you can always arrange a creative post-wedding activity, like a tour around the city or hike. You had me at mimosa bar and omelet station. I can totally get behind this brunch wedding trend. Don't forget to check out WeddingWire.com to learn more about venues and vendors that can help you plan an epic morning reception. And make sure to subscribe to the WeddingWire channel to keep up to date with wedding-related trends. I'll see you next time. Bye.